Definitely, it is a profitable option because Islamic finance is expanding, and as you can see, Islamic finance now is reaching $2.4 billion in asset, which is expected to grow even further because many countries are now opening branches in Islamic finance, including Morocco. So it is a profitable option because you have to cater to the need for different classes of customers. Some customers would prefer to have Sharia compliant, and catering to that need definitely will bring profit for Islamic banks and conventional banks. We are speaking today about the growth potential in Islamic finance and how it's growing. In the past 5 years, it's grown in a CAGR of 10%, reaching $2.4 billion, and it's expected to grow to about $3.8 billion by 2023. The growth is mostly driven by banking, which have 72% of Islamic assets, followed by the sukuk market. We see a potential growth in the fintech and technology area where lots of Islamic banks are adopting Islamic finance fintech. So that's a growth area, and adopting all these to the changes that's happening in the world and millenniums will definitely drive the expansion and growth for Islamic finance.
Yeah, actually we started in Bahrain about 8 years ago. And starting with the machine, just terminals, and we start to be all around Bahrain. The machine is very famous now, alhamdulillah, in Bahrain, and it's mainly for the bill payment and all the kind of payment we are accepted. We start for communication. Now we are growing with bank remittance, with bank transactions all around, and another services. We have more than 60 services in Sadat machine. Also, we have an applications in the mobiles. All the service also is allowed, and we have MPOS. This is a small machine. All the services which we are looking or we could find in the terminals, it's allowed. We can find it in the MPOS. And Sadat now is working for. We have a new product, Sadat Pay, and we are growing, alhamdulillah. Now we have a lot of, as I say, we have a lot of services in different kind of, and with Sadim. And with insurance company also. So we are trying to make the life easy. No queue, you could find all the services, all kind of payment you could do through the machine. Yeah, this is our mission, and alhamdulillah, now in Bahrain we have about maybe nearly coming to 1,000 machine in Bahrain. We have Sadat Pay. It's a new service, and we are participating with Viva Cash. Viva Cash is powered by Sadat, and it's a good, very good project, and we are very happy for that. And we have now insurance company, so you could pay for the insurance through the machine. And new services is coming in. We are open for everybody. This is for the Islamic banking. This is second time we are participate, and it's a great opportunity to be here with banking, because now Sadat is we are looking to be one of the leading company in the finance and technology in Bahrain. We have a project which it will be names in the times.
There are advantages of having blockchain in all businesses and Islamic banking, especially related to having smart contracts. Smart contracts and blockchain will actually simplify the process of contracting through having smart contracts in it, embedded in it. And also it will help a great deal in having the unified ledger in the banking
We
itself.
are starting the program. I would request you all to please.
So
take your
I
seats
think
in the
this
hall.
will be
Thank
something
you.
that can actually be very impactful, positive impact, will have positive impact in Islamic banking.
My final question is, how will technology improve when it is introduced in Islamic banking?
Well, I mean, it will definitely help in giving simple, easy, flexible features and products, Islamic products to the community. So in order for it to actually compete with the conventional type, well, I mean, it will definitely help in giving simple, easy, flexible features and products, Islamic products to the community. So in order for it to actually compete with the conventional type of banking product, and also give it an extreme edge for the untapped market of Islamic banking.
Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you. Can I name your name and position?
Yes, my name is Isam Al-Kashnam. I'm the CEO of International Turnkey Systems.
Shukran, shukran. I'll just give my business card to you.
I'll give you my...
Sure. Once the details come out, I'll give you all the details.
Bahrain Institute of Banking and Finance, which is the training arm of the Central Bank of Bahrain. So the Islamic Finance Center was set up in 1997, which is the oldest Islamic finance professional qualification provider in the world. Since then, we've done trainings in the UK, Russia, Kazakhstan, World Bank. I mean, this year we did training for the World Bank, and so obviously we're working with the Islamic Development Bank as well. Going forward, we want to expand this, and e-learning is a big, we're investing heavily on e-learning, right? We're the only organization in the world who has exclusively agreed with both the standard setting bodies in Islamic finance to bring all the standards onto e-learning. That's one of the things we've launched. We've launched our oldest Islamic finance professional qualification as a distance learning program last year. And it is the only professional qualification in Islamic finance which has a progression route into UK MBA and an MSc. Now, that's a very interesting question, and so this is an initiative we're launching next year in partnership with all the Islamic banks. This is called a customer awareness campaign, and this has been pushed by the CBB as well. This is not to take customers away from conventional banks, if you may. This is about creating, so there's a dilemma between customers of Islamic banks, that what is the difference between an Islamic bank and a conventional bank? If you can't answer this question to a customer that walks into an Islamic bank, you've lost that customer. So we're trying to create awareness about Islamic banking products rather than promoting a specific Islamic bank, and all Islamic banks have come on board with this. So this is a very interesting initiative we'll be launching next year, inshallah.